disc. Disc in. And drive motors running with no belt. Okay. Now the interesting part, getting the tray out. So I need to carefully lift this head up if I can. Hate having the head slammed down like that, but that's how it is. And this is what we need, is to have a belt put on there. So let me take a look at one of these. And it's definitely a belt. Take a little doing. Let's see if I can just put it on there right now and then worry about the motor part as we get to it. Might be on the other side of that. Okay, just lay so. Biggest worry about these is not so much the belt, but the head alignment being off. If the head is not aligned, it doesn't matter if the drive motor is working with the belt. It's not going to be able to read any discs. Drive motor still looks a little dirty in there. Maybe I will put this through the motor first. This is a bit of a trick because the wire is held. is cable on the drop spindle. As long as there's some tension on it, then we'll keep it on there. This is there it is. All right. See what we can do stringing this belt. Okay, we got the belt on there. At least I hope it's on there correctly. Just kind of letting it break in a little bit here by winding it around on there. So hopefully that breaks it in some. The trick comes putting our cage back on. That clip in there. Eject button. Just to get in there first. Exactly like where I gotta grab this thing. Concern I have, oh god, that thing is not in the right spot. Well, just a second. Alright, just pull the eject button off, slid it in there, check that our disc works. Of course, this has to be down like that once the lid is on it. Alright, time to put it back together and see if all our work was for naught. On the outside of this drive, you can sit here. If you can't test the drive outside like this, you have to disassemble one of these things, click it in, and disassemble the header. There's just a lot to do. So this. Maybe this thing. You may see what it's doing. Of course, it's a good idea to check your camera if it's still even recording if the battery has gone dead. Here. Man, I hope the drive motor works at the same time as it does. I hope that the top front drive head is aligned correctly, not spine head. Yeah, I'll make the drive train. It's the only caveat. See it? Top drive head is aligned. I'm getting all over again. Let's got these. Let's get rid of these. Alright, now the drive is back together. And in its holder, time for a test. Get the porter shade back out. Let's see what we get here. It'll be success or failure, we'll find out. That's what that was. Oops, powder. Just in case. Floppy. Let's actually make sure that the disc goes in and out. Goes in, comes out. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Let's make sure that the head and other things operate. Right? Head's operating. Let's find out. It's reading the disc. It's a little noisy in there, but it successfully read the disc. And then we take the camera off. This is a disc. We got a quarter J here loaded with that. Put it in. And let's load it up. Excelente. You can hear the floppy drive working. Again, it is just a tad noisy with the drive motor. I figure that might have made a little noise in there. But I'd say we have a confirmed repair here. Success. And that's only one of the 3 broken floppy drives that I've got. So I'll see if I'm successful with the other 2. But That's how you repair one of these Toshiba floppy drives with these bad or busted drive belts in them.